Hi friends, Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board has given a notification for recruitment of various posts. So before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also please share this video with your friends. So if you see the first of all, opening date of application is 25/5/2021, closing date is 24/6/2021. And online applications are invited for the recruitment of various posts under the different departments under government of NCT of Delhi. So if you see trained graduate teacher female, total vacancies are 551. Trained graduate teacher Hindi male 556. Like that you have trained graduate teacher natural sciences, trained graduate teacher male and female. Maths, if you see the vacancies 1040 for natural science male, 824 for female. Like that you have vacancies for trained graduate teacher maths female male, TGT trained graduate teacher social science male female, trained graduate teacher Bengali male, assistant teacher for primary, an assistant teacher for nursery, and a junior secretariat assistant and counselor, head clerk, assistant teacher primary and patwari. So these are the various posts and these are the various vacancies you can see here, this column. And if you see the educational qualifications for trained graduate teacher Hindi female, BA honors in one of the modern Indian language concerned, or BA with MIL modern Indian language concerned as one of the elective subject from a recognized university, having 45% of marks in aggregate with one additional language or one school subject at degree level. So the school subjects are English, Hindi, physics, chemistry, computer science, biology, maths, like this is given. So mainly for this trained graduate teacher Hindi or is having equivalent degree in MIL concerned from a recognized university, or for appointment Hindi teachers only, that is the Sahitya Ratna of Hindi Sahitya, Prayag having secured at least 45% of marks, and provided further requirement of 45% is relaxed for these candidates for SC/ST and physically handicapped candidates. And if you have a who was having post graduation, for those candidates 45% is relaxed, and you should have a degree and diploma in teaching, and knowledge of Hindi is essential, and you should have a qualified CTET from SBC. So like this you have and this is a pay scale, and age limit is 32 years, and age relaxation is given as per the government rules. And for trained graduate teacher Hindi male also the same educational qualifications are given here. So like that if you see natural sciences bachelor's degree in honors with 45% marks, and at least two subjects should have studied in the schooling level, that is English, maths, natural science, social sciences. So like this male and female. And trained graduate teacher male mathematics bachelor's degree with having these subjects. So like this different post qualifications are given. So I will provide this notification link in the description so you can read all points thoroughly. And mainly for this, other than Hindi, maths, social science, and natural sciences, you should have a bachelor's degree with having these subjects, any of these two subjects studied the schooling level, and you should have this degree or diploma in training education, knowledge of Hindi, and should have qualified CTET examination from CBSE for all other posts. and means this is for teaching post. And Bengali, if you see, BA honors in one of the modern Indian languages, or BA with a male concerned as one of the elective subjects from a recognized university, having 45% marks in aggregate with one additional language or one subject at degree level. So the subjects, once again, if you see the same subjects, and assistant teacher primary. So for this qualification is senior secondary with at least 50% marks, and 2 years diploma in elementary education or senior secondary uh, qualification and 45% marks, and 2 years diploma in elementary education. So like this required qualification is given. Assistant teacher nursery senior secondary school, it is class 12 certificate or intermediate, uh, and also you should have diploma or certificate in nursery teacher education program of duration not less than 2 years, or BEd nursery from a recognized university. And if you see this junior secretariat assistant posts are 278 posts, and for this educational qualifications is matriculation or secondary school exam from a recognized university or board. Ability to type is speed of not less than 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. So this is for junior secretariat assistant. So matriculation, this 10th class standard is the qualification required, and this typing speed is required for this junior secretariat assistant. And you see, this is the pay scale for this, and this is the age limit. And a counselor should have a bachelor's degree in psychology or applied psychology, or postgraduate diploma. This is means all these 3 points should be satisfied. Postgraduate diploma in counseling psychology and 1 year experience of working with clinical psychologist organization working in the field of mental health, drug de-addiction center, psychiatric ward in any hospital or clinic, or should have a master's degree in psychology, counseling psychology, clinical psychology, applied psychology. So if you have a master's degree, so this experience is not required. And studied Hindi as so Hindi is required for these two. And a desirable is MPhil in clinical psychology. It is desirable only. And this is the pay scale. And if you see for head clerk, bachelor's degree or equivalent from a recognized university, and a computer proficiency is required. And this age limit not less than not exceeding 30 years, and this is a pay scale. And also for assistant teacher primary, 12th class pass and a 2 years diploma in primary education or certificate course. And in all these courses from a recognized university, or must have passed Hindi as subject in 10th class. And also for Patwari post, qualification is graduation from any recognized university, or any graduation is enough here for Patwari post, and proficiency in computer and working knowledge of Hindi or Urdu and Hindi. And this is a pay scale, and age is 21 to 27 years. So these are different post and qualifications required here. And if you see, the candidates must only apply online. No other mode of application is shall be accepted. And the candidate must read instructions for applying online carefully, which are available at this website. And is nothing but this notification only before filling up online application. And for going to the examination, must carry original Aadhaar card, any other government issued identity proof to the examination center. And examination fee is 100 rupees, and it is fee is exempted for women candidates and SC, ST candidates, PWD and ex-servicemen. And mode of selection, so there will be one tier and a two tier examination, and also skill test is there when for specific post. And examination is in bilingual, Hindi and English, and the syllabus is given here, and also age relaxation for different categories, and some general instructions are given. So as I told, I will provide this notification link in the description, so you can read all these points thoroughly. So thanks for watching. Please like it and share this video with your friends. Thank you.